Hello friends. Check the links in the description box to get the latest prices and learn more about every product featured in today's video. If you love smart gadgets, practical home essentials, and innovative accessories that make everyday life easier, you're in the right place. Let's dive into today's top 6 must-have products. Number 1. Coffee warmer with mug set. Keep your favorite drink at the perfect temperature with the coffee warmer with mug set. Featuring a heating plate that maintains beverages at up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit 55 degrees Celsius, this desktop warmer uses a convenient gravity switch to activate automatically when the mug is placed on the base. The included 12-ounce ceramic mug is perfect for coffee, tea, or hot chocolate, making this set an excellent companion for your home office or workspace. Number 2. TOPIST Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. Cleaning your microwave has never been easier. Simply fill the TOPIST Angry Mama with vinegar and water, place it inside your microwave, and let the steam loosen stubborn grease and food residue in just a few minutes. Its fun, eye-catching design adds a little humor to kitchen chores while helping you clean without harsh chemicals, making microwave maintenance fast, simple, and eco-friendly. Number 3. Travel Inspira Digital Luggage Scale. Travel smarter with the Travel Inspira Digital Luggage Scale. This compact hanging scale accurately weighs suitcases up to 110 pounds, helping you avoid overweight baggage fees before heading to the airport. Its easy-to-read LCD display, comfortable rubber-coated grip, and lightweight design make it a reliable travel companion that's easy to pack and simple to use on every trip. Number 4. GreenLife 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker Station. Start your mornings faster with the GreenLife 3-in-1 Breakfast Maker Station. This versatile appliance lets you cook eggs, bacon, pancakes, or sausage on its healthy ceramic non-stick griddles while simultaneously toasting 2 slices of bread. With an easy-to-use timer and compact space-saving design, it's perfect for preparing complete breakfasts in minutes, whether you're cooking for yourself or your family. Number 5. CamKix Bluetooth Camera Shutter Remote. Capture amazing photos and videos without touching your phone using the CamKix Bluetooth Camera Shutter Remote. Compatible with most iOS and Android smartphones and tablets, this wireless remote makes taking selfies, group photos, travel pictures, and hands-free videos incredibly easy. It's a small accessory that delivers a big improvement for content creators, travelers, and photography enthusiasts. Number 6. RENPHO Foot Massager with Heat. Give your tired feet the relaxation they deserve with the RENPHO Foot Massager with Heat. Featuring advanced pressure monitoring technology, adjustable compression settings, soothing heat, cordless remote control, and support for feet up to size 12, it delivers a personalized massage experience right at home. It's an excellent choice for relieving daily fatigue, improving comfort, and enjoying a spa-like massage whenever you need it. And that's our top 6 products for today. Which one would you love to own? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest gadget reviews, smart home products, and must-have accessories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.